Hi guys, what's up and welcome to Thunderstorm. Today I'm going to show you my pet cat. You might have seen him in one of my videos. Well, you can probably see him. It was quite shaded, you can see him properly, and now you can, because there's a heat wave on. You see him, Squeaks. Come on Squeaks, say hello. He's shy. I need to get there in front of him. It's going to get a good look. Come on, Squeaks. Look, just look at the camera. Oh, there we go. Oh. He loves the camera. There, you just saw Squeaks' tail. You just saw his tail. Now, thank you for watching this video. This was just to show you my pet. If you didn't like it, I understand. It's not very good. He's really critical of my own videos. And if you did like it, please like and subscribe. And for now, bye!